Hi guys, it's Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to use the associative and commutative properties to make 10 with 3 addends, which we know that addends means parts. Now we know that the commutative property we call the switcheroo, or the flip, which means that we can flip any of these numbers around and it would still be the same thing. And then the associative property means that we can add two numbers together, and we know that it would still be the same thing that way as well. So let's look at this. We know that whenever we do anything like this, that's going to be more than one step or more than one part, we know that we write steps for these. So I have some steps for us to go and look at to where we can know exactly what to do. So anytime that we solve a problem like this, we can use these steps and we will know exactly what to do and exactly what step to do it in. So let's look at our steps. First thing we have to do is circle the two parts that make 10. Second step, we have to complete the number bond with 10 as the whole by using the two parts that we circled. Step number 3, add the third addend to 10, the say 10 way. Number 4, we have to solve and complete the number sentences. So, step number 1. Remember, we do step by step. So step number 1, let's circle the two parts that make 10. Let's look at this. It says 3 plus 8 plus 7 equals blank. Well, remember, we could think about our song. We know that 2 and 8, 8 and 2, making 10 for me and you. Well, I see an 8, but I don't see a 2, so we can't do that one. About 3 and 7, 7 and 3, making 10, oh my, oh me. Oh, I see a 3 and I see a 7, so we can circle those two. All right, so we circled our two parts that made 10. So check. Step number 2, complete the number bond with 10 as the whole by using the two parts that we circled. So let's go back and look at this number bond right here. We know that we're going to add 3 and 7 together. And we know that 3 and 7 make 10. All right, now we can check that off because that's what we did. We completed our number bond with 10 as the whole by using the two parts that we circled. Step number 3, we know that we're going to circle the third addend to 10, the say 10 way. So now let's look at this. The addend that we did not use, or the part that we did not use, is 8. So we're going to add 8 right there. Now the 10 way means that we're going to say 10, which is now our new part, so 10, and then the part that we have left. So 10, 8. Well, what is 10, 8? Well, first, let's check off this. And now we're going to solve and complete the number sentence. So 10, 8. We know that 10, 8 is 18. Because we know that 8 is going to just take the place of that 0 by the 10. So we know that the 8 is going to hide that 0 and it's going to make it 18. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. That means that 3 plus 7 plus 8 also equals 18. And that means that 3 plus 8 plus 7 also equals 18. So we know that this answer is 18. And we followed all of our steps to help us to where it made it a little bit easier to where we knew exactly what to do along the way. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.